Okay.
I've never heard a doctor say
Cadillac radio. Sounds
wish I could
good.
have that one back. You ever heard that, Stephen? Well, when was the last time a doctor came out and said, yeah, that was suboptimal. My A game was not.
You hear that game right here on most of these. Either preparing for a game and
I think this is the right approach.
Okay, one word about this Wonderbar radio. This is the Wonderbar. The motor must be jammed because when I hit the Wonderbar radio, my amp meter goes up another 5 amps and just sits there. So I didn't want to burn anything up. I just disconnected it. You can't get into it, or I couldn't do anything about it, but I just want to warn you, if you hit that Wonderbar, that's what it's going to happen, and it may burn something up. So, forewarned. Other than that, it works perfect and it's nice looking.